Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to add and enable free VPN on Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Go to your network and internet. Click on VPN. Click on add VPN. Now select the VPN provider is Windows. Set a name. Server name and address for entering it. Go to your any browser and type a VPN book. Click on VPN book. Click on free open VPN account. Copy the address and paste it. VPN type is select the automatic. Type sign into username and password. Enter the username. Go to your website and copy the username. After doing this step, enter this password. Now check it. After doing this step, click on Save button and click on Connect. Now you can see that it's connected. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.